economist and journalist, Lena Rodriguez Martin. It is social science that is why the management of the scarce resource in human society. Humans experience various needs. Needs can be met through goods and services. It is a science because it searches for explanation, it possesses a scientific method. It is a social science by studying man, his social and natural environment, and the participation of both people and social organizations. In a general concept, the economy deals with social production process of the social relation of distribution and the needs and demands of society consumption. In summary, the economy defines and establishes the relationship between the trilogy: production, distribution, cons consumption. Each society must make the three basic choices: what to produce, referring to goods and service, and the amount of goods and service that the economy must produce. Because resources are scarce and limited, you must choose what and how many. How to produce, referring to the choice of the combination of resources and the technique to be applied for the production of a good or service, seeking to use resources in the most efficient way. The one for one to produce, referring to how many and which of each consumer needs should be met. There is also the problem of choosing between different alternatives to be used in the most efficient way. The economic agents, family, they after their work and capital consume goods and services. Companies hire and buy factors, my goods and services. Public sectors of goods and services, it regulates and coordinates the make, establish economic policy, establish the legal, institutional framework. Production factors: non-labor capital enterprise. Economic sectors: primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. Economic flow: households, business, government. Thanks for your attention.